Hi, my name's Nick. I'm a solutions engineer from Terrascope. Today, we're going to deep dive into the Terrascope platform's driver tree feature and see how it benefits our clients, especially those with significant forest, land, and agriculture, or FLAG, related emissions. If you missed the first video in the series, please check the link below. Now, let's continue our conversation about fostering transparency with Terrascope. In my last example, I'm a decarbonization specialist working at your company, and I used Terrascope to identify that land use change was responsible for 92% of the standard cocoa bean production emissions. After discussing this with my procurement team, I learned that our cocoa supplier has been working with the Rainforest Alliance to certify their farms have had no land use change over the last 20 years. Which, from an SBTi flag perspective, means that the land use change emissions from the standard emission factor would not apply to my supplier. So, to model this on the Terrascope platform, we will want to create and use a custom emission factor. First, let's open the standard emission factor for cocoa bean production. We're going to use this as a starting point. And then let's drill into the emissions contributors. From here, you can make changes to the underlying drivers, editing, removing, or adding emissions nodes as needed to reflect the unique details of your supply chain. In my cocoa example, I need to find and remove the main land use change node. Terrascope will then calculate and display the new emission factor intensity next to the percentage of change. Let's save this as a new custom emission factor and including a link back to that supporting documentation from our supplier regarding their land use change history. And now the last step is to find the cocoa bean purchase activities from this supplier here on the Terrascope platform, and let's update them to use our new custom emission factor. Keep in mind that all changes made on the platform are logged for auditability. Creating a portfolio of custom emission factors is easy with Terrascope. Book a demo today to see how we can help bring transparency to your company's emissions footprint. And join me for our next Transparency with Terrascope video, where I'll showcase how Terrascope's Flag Insights dashboard goes even further to help companies manage their forest, land, and agriculture-related emissions.